everyone! Welcome to our Mindset Training, the NDSO, New Distributor Success Orientation. Earning $1 million per month here is possible. The only variable of success is your attitude, which is dictated by your thoughts. If you're seeing negative here, it's not the opportunity, but your mind. So strengthen your mind because nothing can harm you from outside if you are strong inside. And this training is all about strengthening your mind stamina to get you to the top of the ladder. I am excited. Are you ready to learn? Yes or yes? Yes. Welcome to our new distributor success orientation. The group session does not substitute the one-on-one in DSO. Next, our team advocacy. Build your assets and never have to work again. Ang ganda ng natin, advocacy. So here, we're not just working on our job, but working on our asset to work for us. Okay, next. So the best option to build asset is network marketing with the franchising system. So this is the business of the 21st century. So if you don't have millions yet to buy assets like houses or building, we'll build our network, our asset. Okay, next. So our asset here is our network of users and distributors. So why network is an asset? Because this network will give us income. The sales from our network will give us profit, okay, or bonuses. Next. So question, how do you create a strong, solid, and stable network? Because as we know, our asset is our network, so we make sure our network is solid, stable, and strong. So, answer must have a system to follow and people to work with the system. Thus, the formula, network equals system plus people. We have this wrong notion kasi that we are here just to look for people. No, that's just active income. We have to train those 6 to find their 6 also using the system. Okay, so our job description here, there are 2 job descriptions. The first job description is to find your 6 using the system, and second job description is teaching each of the 6 to find their 6 using the system, and that will make your network strong, solid, and stable. Next. Okay, so this is our system. What is the system? So to give you the bird's eye view of the system, so the system is first is Jumpstart. So Jumpstart is the skills. So we have 7 skills here. The first one, prospecting. Second is invitation, presentation, closing, follow-up, game plan interview, and selling out events. And STP, show the plan, is the action. In DSO, new distributor success orientation, is the mindset. And counseling is the mastery. And how do you find people? We will use the PNB finder cycle. It all starts with product order. So no product, no business. Once you have the product, we'll do Jumpstart training. And with the Jumpstart training, after that, we are now ready to do STP or do presentation together with your mentor. We call it 2-on-1. And that's only 5 to 10 times. After 5 to 10 times, you are expected to learn the presentation. And within the 5 to 10 times, you are expected to meet challenges. So we'll have in DSO, New Distributor Success Orientation, the mindset training. After that, we should do follow-up because follow-up is the fortune. As they say, 80% of the sales are product the 5th to 6th follow-up. And after that, if they order product, then you just bring your new sign-up, your prospect to this cycle and you do the cycle until you find your 6. And to sustain in the business, you need vitamins, which is Ruta, R, read books, watch videos, use product, P, talk upline, counseling, A, attend, participate, and promote events. Okay, so what do we need to be successful in this business? The first one is attend, participate, and promote events, trainings. Okay, so what are these events, trainings? But before that, bakit ba kailangan natin ng events, ng trainings? Kasi gasolina natin sa business. So what is the word? Gasoline of our business, our food, our vitamins. para mag-sustain tayo kasi kailangan to talaga 3 to 5 years, and for you to sustain it sa business, meron tayong gasolina. So ito yung gasolina natin. So I remember nga one time, no, I had counseling with my mentor. So tiningnan niya yung LOS map or line of sponsorship map. And tinanong niya ako, he asked me, sino ba dito ang wala sa functions? So I told him some names and he said, pakibura dyan, no? Please delete those names and do not spend time with them for they will be gone in the business. So tama talaga, the functions that you miss are the functions that you need, no? Kasi naalala ko dati, every time galing kami ng RLT, ang mga Grab na masakyan namin, mga taxi masakyan namin, prospect talaga namin kasi very excited kami, fired up, no? Basta galing ng RLT. So ano ba tong mga natin? RLT, mga events trainings natin. So ang first is HOPE, which is health, opportunity, presentation, and experience. Kasi storytelling business tayo eh. No? The more stories, the more business. So schedule once a week. So make sure this is product and business presentation with testimonies. So make sure nandun ka palagi sa HOPE. Second one, ano pa? Mindset training. This is MBA, Mind and Business Awakening, local mindset and leadership training. Rank promotions are recognized on a local level. So this is local mindset training. So ano pa? Startup training. So this is for new sign up. So make sure bago kayo mag-field work, meron kayong startup training. Ano ba tong mga startup training? The first one is Jumpstart, the proper startup. The second one is NDSO, New Distributor Success Orientation. This is the right mindset. 2-on-1 STP. This is what we call the OJT, on the job training. And this includes home meeting. So ano bang mga schedules ng mga Jumpstart? So Jumpstart, yan? Within 48 hours from sign up. Ilang hours? Ilang hours? Yes, within 48 hours from sign up. Ano pa? 2-on-1 STP. Kailan tong 2-on-1 STP? Right after Jumpstart. Hindi siya before right after Jumpstart. Okay, and NDSO within 2-on-1 STP. Tapos home meeting within a week from Jumpstart. So talagang susundin natin yan. Ano pa? Fourth one, RLT, Recognition and Leadership Training. This is the mother of all functions. Must talaga to. Must attend talaga itong RLT, no? Scheduled once a month, mga GMD ang magsasalita dito, tsaka recognition on a national level. Ano pa? National Gala, no? Once a year celebration and recognition, paborito sa lahat to, no? It's so fun to be in this event, no? Nag-ano talaga kami dito, look forward. And you will meet a lot of excited and positive people. So, ang sayo, lalaki din yung excitement mo with their excitement. Kasi they also have big dreams, pareho sa'yo. No? Tapos maraming first time dito, no? First time naka-gown, first time naka-tuxedo, no? Naka-talk sa stage. Yan, no? Ano talaga, napaka-exciting talaga. At saka maraming prizes, maraming pagkain, maraming recognition, and you will gain more confidence at what you can do. Kasi makikita mo dong mga profile doon, no? Kung magsalita sila, parang napaka-humble beginning talaga. And you will say to yourself, if they can do it, I can do it also. So, ang galing talaga, no? And again, this is the event na hindi mo i-miss talaga, no? Kasi there's so much belief and excitement of our future. Okay, so yan ang National Gala. Next is ILC, International Leadership Convention. Ito naman, international. Very exciting also kasi we'll be with the distributors in so many countries. Pag nakikita mo yung maraming flag, nako, nag-goosebumps ka talaga. Ang ganda talaga tingnan, napaka-exciting. No, you will realize how big the company and the business is, no? That indeed, ano talaga yung business natin, global, worldwide, beyond borders talaga. And you're so proud that you're part of it. Ang ganda talaga tong ILC. Okay? So, wag niyong i-miss din yan. The last one is counseling. So, this is our monthly business consultation. So, you have to bring your LOS map, again, line of sponsorship map, and your packet monitor. So, here, there's free mentoring, no? Free. no? Free consultation, and will not be wasting our time with trial and error kasi meron tayong guide. Okay? So trainings, very important. These are the incubator of our personality growth. So again, remember when you are down in this business, excuse me, it's not the business, it's you. No, hindi naman negative ang business, ang mindset mo lang, negative yung mindset mo, kaya ang nakikita mo may negative, no? So it only means one thing, kung nag-negative ka na, isa lang yon, ibig sabihin nun, ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Kulang ka sa mga trainings. Yun lang ibig sabihin nun. So mag-training ka lang, maging positive din yung mindset mo. And I know, pabalik-balik ang mga trainings, but unless you know how to conduct it, you live with it, you practice it, you embody it, that's the only time you can say na master mo na talaga yung mga trainings. So if not yet, you have to attend all our trainings all over again, over and over again, until you master it. I know this business is not easy, but there's one thing I can tell you, no? And what is that? You will be glad na ginagawa mo to because it's all worth it. Okay? Yes or yes? Excited ba? Of course, no? So, okay, what do we need to be successful in this business aside from attending events? Second one is stop the 2 killers of the business. Nako, may killer pala yung business natin. The first one is procrastination. It means to put off doing something what you can do today. That's what we call mañana habit. So if you do something, the best time to do is now. Ngayon talaga, hindi mamaya. Ngayon. Procrastination feeds your fear. The best cure for fear is what? Action. Action lang talaga yan. Pero tayo, maraming may sakit dito. No? Mamaya na. Yung procrastination talaga is the thief of opportunity. This is the stopper of our success. And as they say, success loves speed, no? Kaya yun, no? Yung friend mo naka-sign up na sa iba kasi ang tagal mo, no? Bakit nga? Ang question nga, bakit nag-procrastinate tayo? Dahil sa takot. But you know what? Ano yan? The more we procrastinate, the bigger the fear will become. Kasi ang fear, lalaki lang talaga yan if it only stays in our mind. So anong gagawin natin? We let it out by taking action. And if that happens, sabi nila, the death of fear is certain. So take action palagi. Okay, so what else? Ano bang pangalawang killer ng business? Excusitis, no? Sabi dito, no excuses, just work. Use your excuse as reason to build this business, no? Kasi lahat naman pwede mong malagyan ng rason, ng excuses. Ganun lang yan, no? Pero, ano natin, for example, merong 2 nag-attend sa Hope. Tapos, both of them, walang pera. So, sabi ng isa, yung walang pera, I cannot do this business because I don't have money. Pero sabi namang isa, same sila, walang pera, the more I do this business kasi wala akong pera. So, see, same scenario. But yung isa, ginawang reason. Yung isa naman, ginawang excuses. Pero you know what? The more excuses, the less results. So, pag ang results mo sa buhay, hindi maganda, wala ka pang car, wala ka pang bahay, most likely, marami kang excuses sa buhay. So, baguhin mo na yan. No? So, pag sinasabi mo na hindi ko kaya gawin ang business kasi wala kong kakilala, sabihin mo, the more magbe-business ako para dadami yung kakilala ko. Diba? Ganon. Pag sinasabi mo na ma-pride ako, I cannot do this business, but the more nga gagawin mo yung business kasi humbling business to. So yun, no? Para mawala yung excusitis. Okay, so third, what do we need? Build up the 3 requirements to be successful. So alam mo, this business, hindi to para sa lahat. Baka hindi rin para sa'yo to, no? Kasi may requirements to, no? Pero wag you do not allow yourself na hindi ka kasali dito kasi this is the most affordable business model where you can be a millionaire because of leverage. So this is not for everyone kasi it has 3 requirements. So we cannot promise you that this is easy, but what we can promise you, it's all worth it. No? Again, this is the social equalizer kasi yun nga, traditionally, kailangan mong mag-millions eh. Meron kang millions to start, to end with millions. Pero dito, we don't need millions. Sorry ha, pabalik-balik ako, pero ang ganda talaga ng concept. No? Kasi meron dito, no, na meron namang millions when they started, pero hindi sila nagsasucceed. Kasi nga, hindi guarantee na may millions ka, successful ka dito. No, hindi rin ibig sabihin na matagal ka na sa business, kaya ka naging successful. Kasi marami naman dito na nauna pa sa akin. But hindi sila successful. Hindi rin ibig sabihin na marami kang kakilala, kaya ka nagsasucceed. Kasi yun nga, marami naman dito, marami silang friends, pero hindi rin sila successful. Kasi ang kailangan dito, 3 lang talaga. Ano yan, no? Dreams. Yan, kailangan natin ng dreams, no? So labanan lang talaga ng pangarap to. No? Again, this is not easy, but if this is the passport to your dream house, dream income, dream travel, of course, this is worth it. So, this is the reasons, yung dreams natin, the reasons why we build this business. If we know our why, the how doesn't matter anymore. So, ano pa? Ano yung second requirement, no? So, yan, work. Kailangan natin mag-work. So, take action palagi. No procrastination. Work smartly, work with the system. So work plus right opportunity is the surefire formula to succeed. So work first, complain later. Yes or yes? Yes. Ano pa? Teachability. Learn to unlearn and become a student. So paturo lang. No? Empty your cup. Learn to unlearn. Kasi this is not about what you do, but what you duplicate. So meron tayong sundan, meron tayong guide. And you cannot follow if you are teachable. So yan, kailangan mo yang 3 requirements to be successful. Okay, so pang-apat na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa pang-apat? So what do we need to be successful? Number 4, help in 3 areas of growth. No? So dito, focus on helping lang talaga. You can never go wrong helping people. It's a helping people business. So this is not about convincing, but notifying them that you have solutions to their problems, no? And how to do that? Just follow our script, no? So parang it's like having a restaurant business. Of course, kung may restaurant business ka, you will notify your friends that you have just opened a business. And if they will not come, okay lang sa'yo. You don't feel bad about it. So pareho lang dito. Same here. You tell your friends about your business that you can provide health and wellness solutions to help people live better every day. Kasi this is our lifestyle's mission. So that solution can be in health, wealth, and personality growth. Yan, 3 yan, no? Health. Health is be an ambassador of good health by educating people about body pollution. So wealth naman, help other people get what they want so that we can have everything in life we want. That's win-win philosophy. The third one, personality growth. Teach other person to become better and you become better. Ang maganda dito, as we help more, we become more healthy, wealthy, happy, pretty. Gusto niyo ba yan? Of course. Ano pa? What do we need to be successful in this business? Embrace the 2 dynamics of this business. Ano ba yung 2 dynamics ng business? No? Number 1, expectations. Alam mo, may tanong ako sa'yo, bakit yung iba slow ang momentum? Bakit? Bakit wala ka pang check? Bakit wala ka pang sign-ups? Ang gagawin mo, check your expectations. Kasi may question ako, if I will give you 1,000 keys, and one of those keys can open a door na maraming pera, 1 million per month, do you think you are willing to try all the 1,000 keys para mabuksan mo yung tamang key para sa tamang door? Of course. Pero How come we're not willing to talk to 1,000 people to get your momentum? Bakit? Why are we hesitant to attend meetings? Yung 4 hours na RLT meeting, sakripisyo talaga para sa'yo. Pero bakit ang 3 jobs hindi sakripisyo? Kasi your expectation is small. Baka try-try lang yung sa'yo. Kasi sabi mo, I'm not sure kasi if I can earn 1 million per month here. But just imagine, if you're earning 1 million per month, which is, yan, true yan sa'yo. Yung opportunity na to, we can be earning 1 million per month. Marami na dito nag-earn ng 1 million per month. Yung ginagawa mo ba ngayon, may nagsabi ba na mag-earn ka ng 1 million per month dyan? Pag wala, naku po, tingnan mo tong opportunity na to. Dapat malaki yung mga expectation mo dito. No? Imagine kung nag-earn ka ng 1 million per month, what would life looks like? If money and time is no problem, nung gusto mong gawin, ang dami pwedeng gawin pag marami tayong pera. So yan, expectations. Tapos, ang second dynamic, kung malaki yung expectation mo, yung momentum mo faster, yung momentum mo. Kasi momentum is the speed of your business. So hit your daily target or talk to 3 to 5 people a day in your first 90 days to build your momentum. So yan, kung malaki yung expectations mo, the faster the momentum. If expectation is small, momentum is slow. But if the expectation is big, momentum is fast. Okay, number 6 na tayo. Ready na ba kayo sa number 6? What do we need to be successful? Okay, let us complete the 3 pillars of success. Ano ba tong 3 pillars of success? For us to build a strong business, a strong network. So ito yung 3 pillars. The first pillar is what? What is the first pillar? The first pillar is the company. So check na to. Kasi given na to. Hindi mo na kailangan hanapin to. When you sign up with Lifestyles, yan, check na yung first pillar. Stable yung company na natin, 30 years na sa business, and we market our products in 30 countries. Second pillar, given din to sa atin, no? Upline, we have the best upline support. We have the franchising system, the best franchising system. So hindi ka na mag-trial and error on how to build your network faster and stronger and in shorter period of time. So, check na to. So, ano bang hindi check dito? Paki-check nga kung check ba tong number 3. Ano ba yung third pillar natin? Ano? You. Yan, check ba yan? So, here, the opportunity is real. The only variable of success is attitude. Attitude. And for us to succeed, we need 2 things. 2 lang kailangan para ta mag-succeed. Ano yan? Ano sa tingin nyo? Anong kailangan natin para ta mag-succeed? Number 1, kailangan natin right opportunity. Second, right attitudes. Yan, kailangan yan. So, kahit anong sipag mo pa, empleyado, masipag ka, hindi ka rin yayaman kasi you're not in the right opportunity. Tapos, kung nag-lifestyles ka, kahit nasa right opportunity ka, kasi nasa lifestyles ka, pero hindi ka naman masipag, you don't have the right attitude, hindi ka rin mayaman. So here, 50% tala yung gagawin mo kasi given na. No, ang ganda, it's a gift talaga from God na binigyan ka na ng right opportunity kasi ang i-build up mo na lang yung right attitude mo. Tsaka surefire formula na yan for you to be successful.